You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't.
What is up, everybody? So check this out. So we got some tires off of the truck here. You can see this tire here. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, I got some funny tread pattern wear here. So I was gonna rotate my tires. But when I came to rotate my tires, I found my ball joint was loose right here. So there's my old ball joint. Anyways, this upper control arm, just a full assembly kit here. I got it on an account. It was right around, I think I paid $88 for this. I will link up in the, this was at my local store. So we'll see what we can link up here from Amazon. If you need one shipped to your house, or if you have one that's bad, you can go ahead and purchase those off of Amazon. But that being said, I had to replace this upper control arm. So this bolt, this new bolt here, this new nut was a 13/16. These bolts up here were also a 13/16. Now, I was watching another how-to video on YouTube, and theirs was a stock, I believe they were using a 21 millimeter. My 21 millimeter was not long enough, so I used another one. I believe, I don't even know what size was on there because it was a rusted out. Look, I'll even show you. It was all like rusted out, and I can't even read the size on that thing. But anyways, I used that on the original one to get this out. And then, like I said, I used a wrench here, 13/16, to get off these nuts right there. Now, super simple. Basically, I took the tire off. I was gonna rotate it, and usually when I, jack things up, I check my ball joints. I just kind of wiggle the tire a little bit just to see. And the reason why I was actually rotating my tires is because we were on the freeway the other day, and I had an excessive amount of wobble. Like, we knew something was up because the truck normally does not drive like that. So I had a flat in one of my tires. This tire here ended up being a razor blade. They put a plug in this tire here. So I just thought, maybe the dang thing was like unbalanced or something. But it wasn't. I mean, don't quote me on that. I'm still gonna rotate the tires and go take it for a test drive. But my main culprit, I think, was this ball joint. I mean, it is not moving now, or before. I mean, there was a lot of wiggle in it. So, anyways, upper control, just this full assembly kit here. It was super easy to take off. Like I said, basically took the tire off, undid this bolt, hit it with the rubber mallet, wouldn't work. So I ended up giving a few tappies with this hammer. Boom, boom, boom. Dang thing just popped out. Now, I'm not very good at showing you videos as I'm doing stuff because I have a lot of things go wrong, right? So I went to the store to get my part, and on the drive home, get this, on the drive home, I'm pulling around, I'm pretty close to my house, and all of a sudden I get this ding ding, in my car, and my low tire light is on. So I'm checking it, and sure enough, I freaking got a flat in my CTSV. Luckily, I was just around the corner, but I drove on it about a block, so put a little wear on this outside edge, and if you know, you know. Cadillac V, I'm just gonna go ahead and probably buy 2 new rear tires, just to be on the safe side. But, so, that was number 1, right? So I'm changing this stuff out. I'm thinking, maybe I'll film. And my wrench, right? I changed the oil on this the other day, and I've got an oil pan sitting under here that I've yet to transfer over into my oil jugs, because I've got a buddy who has one of those little things that burn oil. So I give him my oil. But had my oil thing sitting here, Lost my wrench. Falls down the truck. Boom. Right in the oil. Right in the oil. So that's number 2, right? Everything's always going wrong. I can't remember. I lost another bolt. Number 3. The Illuminati. 3 things. And then everything went smooth after that. So, change your mindset. Had a lot of things go wrong, but had a lot of things go right. So now I'm going to finish swapping my tires. I'm going to put this one on that front, this front on that rear on this front, and we are going to go take it for a test drive. But I believe this ball joint is good. Looks fairly newish compared to this other side. So we're gonna get that swapped out, and yeah. Anyways, honestly, I'm not big on the how-to, but you get the gist of it, right? I just explained what you need to do. Super easy. If you're searching this video, pretty sure you're handy enough. You tackle the job yourself. So I believe that's all the information you need. So have a good day, and yeah, stay tuned to the channel. We got another. Anyways, stay tuned and see what's coming down the pipeline.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the